You can see the specs in this car. I'll just quickly tell you. So let's go around with the car. So this is the outer body. You can see completely looking like a stock, but it has the wheels which is painted matte black, and the spoiler which is fitted by outside the company, and the stripes, oh god, stripes are seriously looking beautiful in this car, which completely matches with the paint. And you can see the car looks completely stocks from outside, but the main power is inside this hood. So let's open up this hood. As you can see, look at this beast, which comes in very small and compact in size, but it is 796cc inline petrol engine which is produced almost all 87 bhp with stage 2 map. Like as I said, this is a stage 2 tuned by Red Roaster's performance with Bilston suspensions and NAC spark plugs, which is completely for performance grade. And the Momo steering, as I'll show you in the interior, the engine sound completely varies from the stock. Just check this out. Now let's coming up to the interior. Let me quickly show you that. Look at this interior, how neat and clean it was maintained, and you can see the massive attracting thing that is Momo Italian brand steering. It is first choice when it comes to the modification. And you can see the seats, which is quite leathery type, but it's not kind of leather, and the red strips looks very beautiful in this car, and it is almost like driven in 74,000 kilometers, but still it's like a girl. You can see the weather, just enjoy the weather. Just feel the pull in just third gear. Oh, super le. Cannot feel that it's like an 800cc engine, but it's definitely feels like a 1000 plus cc engine. So it's completely silent cabin even when you are going in 80 speed. It's really awesome. So there is going a Brezza, but we don't have any chance to just beat that Brezza here right now. One thing I have to notice in this car, that definitely don't feel that it's a stock. It look like a stock, but in engine side it's completely like modified, and few of the things is that directly from Japan imported things like MGP originals. And even though it's a stage 2, but definitely the next plan will be in a stage 3, as my friend says. So in the stage 2 you can feel still more 30 to 40% hike. 30 to 40% 30 to 40% in the more power and more torquey nature you can feel in this thing. Even in stage 2 you can feel the wheel spin in the second to third gear side. So we need to take turn. So there is a small drag which you are trying. Let's wait. 3, 2, 1, go. Seriously, it's kind of like 1000 plus HP engine.